Hi everyone, welcome back to one more video in this channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to upload your music for free in all digital platforms. I mean Spotify, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, etc, without paying any fees whatsoever. You won't invest your money in this service. This is a free music distribution service. You don't need to pay any money. And guess what's good? You keep 100% royalties. So you upload your music, you collect your royalties, and you earn it. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video. Open your browser and search for freshtone.com. If you are new here in this channel, please subscribe to the channel help and comment down below if you like this video. You'll be redirected to Freshtone page. This is the interface of Freshtone. When you open it the first time, you can sign in or sign up. In my case, I already have an account in Freshtone. I'm going to sign in. I'll be redirected to this page. This is how Freshtone look like. So as you can see, I have some drafts right here that I want to release. But you can hit this button if you want to create a new release. In my case, I just want to continue editing this one because I just started the upload. So what I'm gonna do is just swipe the screen to the right side. I will click in this pencil right here. If you hit the create button, you will be redirected to this page. Right here, you're gonna fill the title of your beat, the track name, the title language, the genre, and you're gonna just add the cover to your track. Right here, they let you all the specification they need for the cover. So the cover must be 1.5 by 1.5 pixels. I'm gonna choose one, so you're gonna see how you upload the cover. In the next step, you're gonna roll down your screen and hit save. Once you're all set, you just click on continue button. At this moment, you just need to upload your track file. Your track file must be in WAV or FLAC. Freshtone already let you the specification right here. You can read them. So click right here and choose files. So you're gonna look for your beat right now. After you find your file, long press to the file and click open. The beat is already uploading, so you're gonna wait until it's in the upload process. And if you are still here, please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment if you like this video. And voila, the track is already uploaded. What you need to do is just hit the save button. Click in this arrow right here to fill your music information. Right here, you're gonna set your track title. You must use at least uppercase to each word in your title. So copy me, please. Copy how I'm doing this and apply to your releases too. After you fill the first information, you're gonna scroll down the screen right here. As you can see, this is explicit content. You know, the track contains vocals. You say yes. You choose the language of your vocals. You know, in my case, I'm gonna choose Portuguese because this is not my song. This is my friend's song. You know what I'm saying? He want to release this one and he asked me to release this one. I'm gonna add artist. If you don't have an artist yet, you add new. Click right here to add new, or you can select right here if you got an artist. So click in add, and you're gonna add the songwriters. You don't need to add contributors. It's optional. If you don't have any contributor, you can just leave how it is. So I'm gonna add my songwriter right here and composer. I just click add. So I hit the save button right here to save the information. And I want to remind you that is an AP release. I'm gonna click here to add one more song. And I want to remind you that you can add how many songs you want to. I'm gonna repeat all the process and I'll be back when I finish. And don't forget to hit the save button when you filled all the information. Clicking the continue button, here you go to the next step. In this step, you're gonna choose on what platform you want your music to be released. Here you can choose the exact date or you can let them decide when your music will be released. And if you confirm all the information, you're gonna just hit continue button. And right here they'll ask you if the cover is created by any AI or no. In my case, I just hit no. So I'll click in the continue button right here to go to the next step. And here I just confirm all the information and send my music for review. After send for review, you'll be redirected to the main page of FreshTune. As you can see, the song is already in moderation right here. And I'll be back soon to see if my music was approved. This was today's video. I hope you liked. See you in the next video. Bye bye.